Hello everyone. Previously, we went through the inheritance, right? Today, we'll be going through the polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism enables the objects to be treated as instances of their superclass. It's also, it also provides flexibility in method implementation as well as behavior. So, let's see this with a simple example. So what I'll do, I'll just come here, right click, over on new and click on Java class. I'll just give the name Polymorphism example, right? Then hit enter. So here we have defined a public class named Polymorphism example. Let's create the main method as well. I'll just give public static void main, right? Then this I'll just give string and arguments. Next, what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me define the parent class named animal. I'll just give class animal, right? Here, inside the animal class, let's define a public method named makeSound. I'll just give public void makeSound. So what we have done here, we have defined a public method named makeSound. Inside the makeSound method, let's print by making use of sout, right? I'll just give sout. I'll just give a random text some sound. We are just printing some random text some sound, right? Next, what I'll do, let's define a subclass named dog that inherits from the animal. Here, define a subclass named dog that inherits from animal, right? So I'll just give class dog extends animal. Here, let's make use of the override, right? Let me do one thing. I'll just give here override. So what this indicates is this method overrides a method in the parent class. So I'll just give public void makeSound, right? We have made use of. Just give a makeSound. Within makeSound, I'll just print bark. Let me give bark. Yeah, this is it. Next, I'll just come here. Sorry. Let's define one more subclass named cat that inherits from the animal. For reference, I'll just comment this one and write define a subclass named cat that inherits from animal. So here, what I'll do, I'll just give class cat extends animal. Let me make use of the override, right? Just give capital O here. Yeah. Override, nothing but it indicates that this method overrides a method in the parent class. For that one, I'll just give void makeSound. This is nothing but we are overriding the makeSound method here. In the previous example also, in the previous this one also, we have seen the same thing, right? Let's print meow this time. I'll just give s out. Let me print meow. I'll just come here, and now what I'll do, let's create a new animal object named myAnimal. I'll just give myAnimal equals new animal. So what we have done here, we have created a new animal object named myAnimal, nothing but this one. So after this one, let's create a new dog object named myDog, but reference it as an animal, right? So let's reference this as an animal. We give myDog equals new dog. So similarly, let's create the cat object as well named myCat, but reference it as an animal as well. I'll just give animal. I'll just call this one myCat. Hello, cat. So everything is good. What's wrong here? Capital C, right? Okay. So after this, let's call the make sound method on myAnimal that prints some sound, bark as well as meow, right? So I'll just give myAnimal make sound. What we have done here, what we are doing here, we are calling the make sound method on myAnimal that prints some sound. Similarly, we'll call the make sound method on myDog that prints bark, as well as let's call the make sound method on myCat as well that prints meow, right? I'll just give myDog make sound. Let's make use of myCat and make sound. So yeah, this is it. This looks good, right? So did I miss out anything? Nothing, right? So yeah, this looks good. Let's run the code. Right. Let's wait for some time. So yeah, see here, at the end, what we are getting, some sound, bark, as well as the meow, right? So everything is working properly. Next, let's go with the interfaces, right? This is it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.